$1,000. We'll talk about that as well. They get the audio program. They get fast cash videos. The ebook and the videos are completely different. They cover the same materials, but it's different content. It's not just a video version or an ebook version. There are transcripts as well, and they get all of that, plus that done for your business for $27. So let's dive through into the members area. So the first thing we've got here is the getting started section for the done for you business. Now, the business that they get handed over to them is a ready-made business that I've already done nearly $250,000 with, and they get to keep all their money from that. So they get set up automatically and quickly as an approved affiliate for that existing business. It's already done $250,000 in sales, and they get to keep all the money from all of the sales that they make, and they also get ready-made, done-for-you materials and promos and assets to go along with that. Okay, so that's the done-for-you business. Now let's talk about the Guru's Playbook. So we go in here, there's a video explaining this, and they go ahead and they can download this. This is the kind of flagship item of Millionaire Whistleblower, and it's a soup to nuts, A to Z guide, pretty much of everything that I know and everything I use in my business, including how to get started online, how to grow an audience, how to start getting a list. Everything is covered here, step by step, and I go through not just telling stories about how it happened for me, but actually diving into the detail of how they have to learn stuff, how they have to build their list, how they do that. And we get into specifics as it goes through this book, okay? Step-by-step guides on exactly what to do, how to do these things, how to get the list, how to make your first affiliate sales, how to make $1,000 a month as an affiliate, and then going on and how to, moving on to how to create your own product, how to create sales letters. I even cover at the end how to do your own back-end stuff and high-ticket stuff. Okay, so it's an amazing product. People are going to love it. Okay, so that's the Guru's Playbook. Then they get these videos, the fast cash videos. So you can see here, each of these videos covers one of the chapters in the book, but it does it in great detail. So you can see here, this is a 7-minute video for this particular one. We've got a 10-minute video here. 15-minute video. Here's how to fast track to your first 10,000 followers. This is a 18-minute video. We've got one here on how to start printing money with your laptop. 7 secrets that will make you rich. This video is about half an hour long, covering all the basics and advanced strategies as well of internet marketing. And they get to watch all of these videos. They get a transcript for each one as well, and an audio version, and they can even download it if they want. Okay, so that's what they get for their $27. They get my entire framework for how to make money online, which is in this Guru's Playbook. Nearly 100 pages of valuable multi-million-dollar content here. They get the playbook, they get the fast cash videos to go along with it, and they get a done-for-you business that's already done $250,000. Okay, so that's what they get for their $27. Now, if they get the order bump, which is called the Millionaire AI Army, and they get that for $47, again, that's going to put $47 in your account because I'm paying you 100% commissions on all of this. They get all of these AI tools that I use in my business. An AI tool that creates images, one that creates bonuses for you. You just put a sales letter in it, it goes and creates a bonus for the order bump, which is just $47. Not an ongoing monthly cost, no credits required, like that, anything like that. A $47 one-time cost, and they can create unlimited images forever, unlimited bonuses forever, unlimited product reviews forever, unlimited social media posts forever, and unlimited blog posts forever using the same AI tools that I use. And these are all AI tools that have got my brain put into them. I trained them. I coded these tools myself personally, did not outsource any of that. Okay, it's all done by me and includes my knowledge base in each of those. So that's what they get for their $47 if they get the bump. Then we move on to the fast track. Okay, the fast track, the Millionaire Fast Track. This is the one-time offer. It's the only one-time offer. If they do not take it on the one-time offer page, it is gone. There's no downsell. They can't get it anywhere else. There's no other upgrades after that. They're straight into the members area. So it's going to convert like gangbusters. And what this gives them is a traffic automator system on how to scale up traffic. It gives them 10 high-ticket commission licenses. So when they promote their done-for-you business, which they already get with the front end, they're going to be getting sales of that anyway. When those sales convert to my high-ticket, one of my high-ticket programs, I'm going to give them $1,000 every time that happens, up to 10 times. Okay, so they get that as well. So they get the traffic automator system, they get the high-ticket commission licenses, and they also get lifetime reseller on the entire Millionaire Whistleblower funnel. Okay, so that's everything they get with the Millionaire Fast Track for their 197, and that's covered here inside the members area with all this high ticket commissions. I also give them recurring commissions on a recurring